Good afternoon, children. Now, this is class 7, subject political and social life. Now, we are going to start our chapter 1. Now, in chapter 1, we will discuss on the equality. On the basis of equality, we can say that all the peoples are equal, whether they belong from any classes. They belong from lower classes to higher classes. They belong from any religious, caste, background. They are all equal in the eyes of law. Okay, so for children, we know very well India is a diverse country. It means in India, different kinds of people are living together. They follow different religions, they belong from different gender, they follow different traditions, customs, right? Then also they are living together to respect and maintain this diversity in a vast country like India. In India, we need to make sure that each citizens of our country is treated equally. In our country, all the peoples, all the citizens are treated equally and they got different opportunities. They got equal opportunities and resources also to grow. Okay, so many times we have seen diversity bring discrimination along with it. Okay, so children, we have seen that all live in the same country, irrespective of difference, and the country has same set of governing rules and law for all. In India, India is a democratic country. We know that in our country is a democracy. So the democracy means equal right to all respective of financial or social differences. Right? So Indian democracy gives the right to every citizen of India who is above 18 years of age to cast his or her vote for the election as per the universal adult franchise. Okay, so that now we'll see that first point in a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religions they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, all allowed to vote. It means they belong from any caste, any religious, they belong from any reason, right? They are educated or not, they are all people have right to give the vote whether they are rich or poor. They all got right to give the vote, but they should complete 18 years of age. Okay, this is called the universal adult franchising. Okay, so the idea behind this practice is that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and community, is equal. Okay, so this message is given clearly during election as all stand in the same queue to cast vote. Okay, so irrespective of their community, disability, or social status. However, in real life scenarios, we generally notice in real life scenario we have generally noticed that inequality at every step we can see in our surrounding. Inequality also we have seen, as seen in the case of different example we can take the attitude towards the specially able people, any schools or office, that's all. So such differences make us rethink. It means these kind of differences we can force on our mind. It is really the equality as per our constitution. We have seen different examples are surrounding. Some people they are doing work, they are doing a lot of work, but they are not getting wages on that. We are forcefully to do work. Okay, so to ensure equality among people, that must be acceptance of diversity of all kinds by all citizens of our country. Okay, so thank you.